How to mute someone on Threads so you can stop seeing their posts in your feed without unfollowing or blocking them. First, open the Threads app and go to the profile of the person you want to mute. You can find them by using the search bar, opening one of their posts, or selecting them from your following list. Once you're on their profile, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. A menu will appear with several options. Tap Mute. Next, you'll see the option to mute posts. Turn on the toggle, and that's it. From now on, their posts won't appear in your feed, making it easier to customize what you see. The best part is that Threads won't notify the other person that you've muted them. You'll still follow each other as usual, and you can unmute them anytime. If you ever want to reverse the change, simply visit their profile again, tap the three-dot menu, select Unmute, and turn off the Unmute Posts option. And that's how you can mute someone on Threads without blocking or unfollowing them. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy Threads tutorials. Thanks for watching.